Okay, quiet on the set, quiet on the set, and ow! No, this was not a good idea. Quiet on the set. Ulla Johnson Resort Wear. Hi everyone. Hello. Somebody just asked me to pull my ear like Cara Burnett to say hi to them. You know who you are? Which ear? Oh, the right ear is you. The left ear is someone else. Okay. Hello, people of the world. You are going to want this now, and you're going to want it to wear later. This is an Ulla Johnson, her Japanese tech fabric. Is it elastic? It's elastic. Thank you, Ulla, because a couple of seasons ago you didn't do this elastic. It's her ruffles, it's her dress, it's her look. This color is exquisite. It will immediately brighten you up. Shorter lengths are happening. It is unfinished. I mean, you just cut the hem. So if you want it even shorter, feel free to do so. Do it with a pair of brown suede boots right now and do a little jacket over it. Side zip. If you're an Ulla fan, you know the fit. This will fit a woman that has a straight body, but because of this elastic, it actually, and the way it hits you, it will actually give you a waistline. Trust me on this, please. Come and try it. Ulla Johnson knows what she's doing. Okay, more holiday and resort. Designers mix this holiday and resort delivery all together. What is this? Oh, skirt. Okay, Ulla Johnson, a plissé skirt. Plissé means pleated. French, je parle très bien français. That's all I know how to say. I know how to say I speak French very well in French, and that's all I know how to say. Gets you into trouble. I love it. No. Do it with a bodysuit. Do it to go away. This is how you handle it. Don't worry about it. It does not wrinkle. It is polyester. You can rarely achieve this pleated look on silk, but better. It doesn't wrinkle. It's brilliant. And the elastic, did you see what I just do? This will be your best friend because you can style it a million different ways. Do it with a men's shirt and it will look sensational. Or do it with this blouse. This is the Japanese tech fabric that I went crazy with. You know, every season she does it and then every other season she skips it. How beautiful. Look at this workmanship. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful blouse. With velvet pants for a holiday party, with a mini skirt. Mini skirts are coming back. Do it with a mini skirt. Do it with a maxi skirt. Do it with that skirt that I just showed you. Wear it now, wear it later. Literally it's seasonless. Okay, Afshin. More of this tech fabric. So, same concept, short sleeve. The color is beautiful. It's like a brickish? Would you say brick? Mm-hmm. Elastic. Thank you, Ulla. Gorgeous dress, gorgeous color with brown boots. Yes, wear that with brown. And you can easily wear it for next season. So one box, Ulla. Ah, yeah. Here you go. No, I am a professional. Okay, wait, let's see. Did they double send this to me? No. No, it's just, no, it's the balance of that stuff. Okay, that's all I have for you from Ulla. I was so excited, 2 boxes, but we have 5 or 4 amazing pieces. Please come in. It's going to be online, gallerycouture.com. Otherwise, come into the store and I will help you to style it. Ciao, ciao.